I have 24 hours to try and build a successful dropshipping store from scratch, starting right now. Over the past couple of months, I've made thousands from dropshipping, but today I'm gonna start from complete scratch with no data and no advantages. So basically I'm gonna be in a beginner's shoes. I'm going to find my product, build a store, create my ads, and then run the ads. But we only have 24 hours, so let's get right into this. Okay, so starting with the first task, which is to find a good product. So for finding my product, I went straight to AutoDS, which is my go-to product research tool right now. I was basically just scrolling through these hand-picked products and then wrote down the good ones I saw. And one product that really stood out to me was this scrub gun, where you can basically just clean the dishes with. And I've seen some other products, for example, this massage gun that has worked insanely well in the past. So I could see this do really well too. Then I did some deeper research also through AutoDS. So I, for example, looked at some competitors that were selling the product, which you can just do when you click on the product and then see all these competitors, which is just super helpful and really good. You can basically just sign up and you get all of these products suggested to you, and you will also see what good TikTok ad creatives look like. And a really good feature is also when you look through these video ads, you can actually download them. So you can download them and then pull them into CapCut and create your own ad creatives out of that without even having to shoot any footage. So if I were you, I would definitely check it out, and I will leave a link below, and if you sign up through that link, you will get a 30-day free trial. So after I had my product, I just quickly added it to my store, which is, by the way, also really easy if you use AutoDS, and then started to build out a really nice store for it. I named my store Power Scrub. I think that is a really good name because it's simple, it's not too long, and it also just explains what the product is about, because it's electric and it can scrub whatever. After that, the first thing I did was basically just delete all of the product info, so the pictures, the description, the price, title, everything, because these default settings just never help with anything. Now, since I could get this product for around $10, I wanted to sell this for $30 to $40. Since some competitors were even selling it for way more than that, and even with these 30 to 40 bucks, that would still leave us with a really good margin. Now after that, I just wrote a new product description with the help of ChatGPT, and do not fear to use ChatGPT for anything on your store, but make sure to always change the text a bit so it's not just AI written, because often it's really generic, but you can use parts of what the AI has written for you. Then to make the product description even better, I also added some pictures and some GIFs. After that, I went into the actual editor for my store and made sure that every section looked good, and I also changed the color and main menu. Lastly, I went to the Shopify app store and got this app, which I just basically used for some product reviews to display on my store. Now, to be honest, I worked some more on the store, but it was just really boring stuff like deleting this vendor icon, removing these related products tab. So I'm not gonna show that here, but this is what the final store looked like. It was definitely looking nice with all of the pictures and then also the nice product description. And from my experience, something like this just always sells. Now it was time for the ad creatives. And I really wanted to get some really good ad creatives since I wanted to get some sales in this 24-hour challenge, and that's why I went with viral e-com ads for my ad creatives. Because from my experience, the ads I got from viral e-com ads just always convert really good. And I mean, don't take it from me, take it from the multiple other examples that are listed on their website. You can see they are making bank with these ad creatives. And when you see big dropshippers use this website, they probably know what they're doing. So I went on their website and chose this TikTok split testing package, which gives you 3 ad creatives for testing. I only had to pay a total of $12 for those ad creatives since I am in the VIP program and basically get 75% off on everything. But even if you have to pay the full price, it's just really good. So a couple of days later, I got the ad creatives, and as always, they were really good. So if you want to start making money with dropshipping, or if you're already doing dropshipping, then I would definitely recommend to check out viral e-com ads. And through the link in the description, you'll get a 15% discount on whatever you order. So now that I have a really nice product, a nice store, and also some really good ad creatives, it was time to run some ads. So I went into TikTok ads and created a new campaign. And I'm just quickly gonna walk you through how I set up my ads since I don't want to spend minutes on this. Basically what I did is choose conversions here and then leave everything else blank on the first page. Now on the next page, I selected my pixel and then of course chose complete payment. And then a really important step is to turn off the comments here, since I see so many dropshipping stores getting flamed on TikTok for dropshipping. That will just decrease your conversions. So just turn off the comments. I chose to target the US, but another region that works really fine too is the UK, because normally CPMs are a bit lower there, but just try out both regions and then see what you like best. Now for my budget, I put this to $100 a day, and don't do this if you're watching this, because for testing you should normally do a lower budget, but I was really trying to get some sales here in these 24 hours. And after that, the ads were done. Just a pretty broad and simple setup, and as you guys can see, it was submitted here. They were accepted later and they were scheduled to start running at midnight. Now the next day I completely forgot to look at the store because I just had so much to do, but in the evening I just turned off the ads and then had a look at my store. And I must say, it wasn't looking bad. We actually got $175 in sales coming from 5 orders. And that is actually really good for running ads for 24 hours, and it resulted in a $40 profit for me. And considering I basically didn't do anything that day when the ads were running, it was basically just generating money on autopilot. So this challenge was a complete success, and if you want to start dropshipping or do dropshipping, check out AutoDS for product research, because AutoDS is just insanely good to find good products, and also Viral Ecom Ads is just goated at ad creative, so check both of them out and make sure to subscribe to see more videos. I will see you in the next one. Bye.